Hello guys and welcome to today's video where we'll be learning how to count atoms in the molecules. In the last few lessons, we'll learn how to write chemical formulas and name compounds. In this and next sessions, we will be talking about how to write chemical reactions and balance out equations. The first step to being able to do those things is to learn how to count the number of atoms in the molecules. Let's take carbon dioxide for example. Basically, all you need to do is to look at the subscripts. So that means that there is two atoms of oxygen and one atom of carbon. Remember that we never write one in chemistry. So in carbon dioxide, we have a total of three atoms. One atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen. Let's do a few more examples. First is H2SO4. Once again, we look at the subscripts. We get two hydrogen atoms and one sulfur atom. Remember, no subscript always means one. And lastly, we have four atoms of oxygen. So in total, we have seven atoms in this molecule. Let's make this a little bit harder. What if we have something like calcium phosphate? Well, we can for sure say that there's three calcium atoms, but what about the phosphorus and oxygen? If we have a parentheses, we need to multiply outside subscripts with inside subscripts. So for phosphorus, it would be 2 times 1, because we have no subscripts near it. And for oxygen, it's 2 times 4, which equals 8. So in this molecule, we have total of 13 atoms. And we will do one more. NH4 times 2 CO3. Because we have parentheses, we multiply subscript 2 by 1 for nitrogen. And for hydrogen, we multiply 2 by 4 and get 8 atoms. Also, we have one carbon atom and 3 atoms of oxygen. So in the end, we have 14 atoms in a single ammonium sulfate molecule. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. And see you soon in the next inorganic chemistry lessons.